that they're the best in the industry for their knowledge of Toyota and their packages, and we just wanted to offer it right here in Bathurst and the surrounding areas. Just Auto's products are second to none when it comes to quality and fitment. The time that they've spent to get their product right is awesome.
So being in Bathurst, Toyota is definitely a #1 choice. Seeing all the cars on the road out there, we can see where Just Auto's packages fit in because people need that reliability, they need that efficiency, and they need to know they can get home at the end of the day while having good drivability, and that's what we offer.
At DPS, we specialise in four-wheel drive dyno tuning, tractors, trucks, harvesters, anything earth moving, to provide better performance and reliability for anything diesel.
I think we've seen a hole in the market as far as the customers we wanted to provide a service to, and being in Bathurst, it's really in an area that is pretty well central to a lot of those surrounding areas and those places like Orange and so forth, and we felt like there was a need to put someone there, and it was just so happened that Rodney, fitted that bill perfectly. Now we can support that region and know we can do it well.
Now, we've been operating here for 15 years. I've known Matt for many years and always wanted to be part of his team. So when the opportunity to come on board as a distributor, we know it's a no-brainer. Yeah, we love working with Just Autos. Can't go past their service and support. I've never met anyone like Matt when it comes to his passion for reliability. Yes, he gets the power, but it's reliable. His knowledge is second to none when it comes to anything Toyota.
I've known Rodney for a long time. He's all about supporting the customer, and that's something that I love to hear because that's what we're about.
The customer satisfaction is paramount at DPS. It's always good to go for a drive with your customers. They're always over the moon of the difference in the power. And then they come back over the time and say how much better is on fuel economy or just reliability.
It's not just about the package we provide and the tuning for the vehicles, it's about the customer service and what we deliver to the customer. It's the experience that they get, it's the help that they get, it's the phone calls, it's everything around the customer that's really important here. The products that we have are great and we know they're great, but supporting the customer is exactly what we want to do moving forward, which I believe Rodney and his team at DPS are more than capable of doing. So if you're looking at a Just Autos package and you're in the region around Bathurst, DPS is your place to go for a Just Autos package. They've been there for 15 years, they definitely know our product and they've gone through our training. If you have any other questions or queries about our products, please get in contact with the guys at the front and they'll be happy to answer any of your questions.